Today we got a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifters Think Pulling Out Cash After Caught Stealing is a Good Idea."
On Saturday, April 19th, 2025, at approximately 7:59 p.m., officers responded to a Walgreens in South Holland following reports of two women walking out of the store with unpaid merchandise. An officer was already in the parking lot when it happened. As the two women stood in the middle of the lot, bags in hand, one of them said something to officers that no one expected to hear. Watch what happened next.
Because I can pay for my own stuff.
So what's
got
wrong?
a problem that we adding our stuff in our gift bags. We was going in the store to pay for our stuff. We was making the gift bags. I have money right here in my wallet.
So she was made some comments.
She was like, "Hey, what
y'all
y'all
doing?
Wait, y'all cannot be right there in this aisle right here with these bags. Something like these.
So y'all came into the store with the bags.
No, these are their bags. That's why I
grabbing
our stuff, and then we grabbed the bags.
Yeah.
Up there paying for her juices. We never came here to steal. We paying for our stuff. We was just, I have cash. We didn't even make it out the store. We was stealing. We would have wanted to.
I got you. So my question is, do you have receipts for these?
No, we don't have no receipt because we did not pay for this. I just literally walked out the store because I'm like, oh yeah, now y'all saying we want to steal. Oh yeah, and I started walking out. Yeah, but no, I was never, no, my intentions never was come here to steal nothing. They're my friends.
This is, y'all, this your friend too? Okay. Alright, let me get some ID from y'all, I guess.
That's cool. That's my whole.
Yeah, come on, yeah, let's.
I left my whole. They doing too much.
What is it that you...
First of all, these are gift bags.
And I said that we
right, yeah,
Wait, hold on, how you got an attitude when y'all up in here doing wrong? I'm trying to, y'all up in here doing wrong, and you got an attitude.
Miss Lulu.
So this first of all, these are bags. All that's our stuff now.
And I told her that, ma'am. Again, I told her when we came here, we grabbed all our stuff. We grabbed the gift bags. We just wanted to put all our stuff in the bag, and we didn't even wait, listen.
Can I tell you something before? I already seen you before on camera. That's how I knew you was about to steal. That's how I knew you was about to steal, though. I'm just telling you.
You too. You ain't got no receipt for it. Alright, so put it down.
No trespassing.
Okay, so Miss Lulu, what you want there?
I want no trespassing against them.
And then I'm telling you, man, I had money on me. I was never going to steal. I wasn't finna steal it. That's what I'm telling you. I was never finna steal it. No, I'm like,
okay, whatever. I'm not finna go back and forth.
No, I'm not going back and forth. I'm trying to have a conversation.
So what, you gonna pay for this stuff?
Yeah, I was about to pay for this stuff. It was
so y'all can pay for all y'all stuff.
I got money. It's no
okay,
issue.
So
that's the way you came because you came at the out. You said y'all cannot be right here.
I said no. I saw you put the stuff in your.
Yo, this is definitely. Where is that? Illinois? Yeah. Yo, this is. Where is that again? Where is that?
Reports of two women walking out of Walgreens in South
Holland, Illinois. Okay.
So do y'all want to resolve this? Do y'all want to resolve this and I'm not needed?
I don't know what they want to do. Do they want to pay for their stuff?
Let me talk to you. Thank you. Now, the reason why she called us because y'all left up out the store without paying for it. Once you dock this dough and you don't pay for it, it's over with. You feel me? Regardless if you got money or not. If you had that, then you would have paid it up at the register.
I ain't even get a chance to get
Nah. I'm not even trying to hear all that. Because once you dock this door and you took items that you ain't paid for, make it make sense, y'all. Now, are y'all paying for the stuff or not?
Yes.
And then what you want?
Matter of fact, no. Because I don't want them in here. They don't got to pay for it. Just leave. Because they're going to try to pay for it and then bring it back. Because they was going to steal it anyway. So, no. Just leave. It's over.
So let me get some name.
And I want to know trespass.
Okay, I got you. How you come out the house with no ID on you?
I left my
You got a picture of it?
No. It's a brand new ID. I literally left my whole wallet.
If you get a picture, we got to take you in and do a fingerprint report. So.
What?
Yeah, so somebody got to...
Let me see if I have a picture. I even send a picture of my ID or something.
And then you got your ID on you too?
Why would I do that?
People do it. Yeah, people do it.
I don't even know if I got a picture of my ID on my phone. I just got the ID, bro. I don't do it. What's my whole fucking wallet?
Yeah, it's over with now, y'all.
Hey, can we step over here?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
What the hell? Don't have that wallet on.
Next time you know, they'll come out the house without no ID on you.
We do the name and then have trying to call LG from records. Send the email, work email.
They gotta pull out them phones, boy.
But you ran her already.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get back.
That's right. Like you want something.
Yeah, she's the one from the league.
Hello.
Do you have a picture of my ID? I left my wallet at home.
Yeah, we came from this Walgreens. We came from this Walgreens, so we start.
You still on 200?
You ain't taking no picture?
She was that's my phone. I gave her $20 for my phone. Wait, hold on, wait on.
I left it at the Yale house, my whole wallet, and I need a picture.
Come on, Sue. We came here putting this stuff in the gift bag. She came in out like y'all can't be.
Yeah. So run the name.
It's funny how people still argue as if they're in the right when they know that they're in the wrong. You bagged everything up, walked past all point of sales, but you're still gonna argue as if you're in the right, and the whatever, the manager lady, the person that works for Walgreens is the one in the wrong. You gonna stay firm on that story, man.
DOB first, and then have them.
Okay. Yeah, my phone in the car. Got a good place for it.
Well, run it, and then I'll call.
Send to yours? Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Layla. This one? Yeah. Layla, Delaware.
And if it comes up something else.
Yeah, that bitch tweaking.
Hey, do me a favor, so Brown just ran right now.
That's crazy. I'm sitting right here too.
Can you pull up? So were they past the point?
Girl, you knows it.
Shit, I want to see what they grab too.
Were they past the point?
Oh, sorry, let me see.
Can you do me a favor real quick? Can you go in there,
What is it? It's like, they gotta be like expensive, right? Like,
Where were they at?
in the parking lot? Yeah, that's like, yeah, we brought, we came back here.
Yeah.
Okay, enough money here.
Well, we just need no track. The black one here, and then it's
That and then
the secret around it. It's pink and it got butterflies. $19.
No, 170. No, 174.
You said 174?
174. No, I saw that at the bottom too, but no, that's.
What's 95?
What does this mean?
All FSA items like condoms and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, it came out too. Okay, so that's included in
So
that.
it's all grand total. They just separate.
They were trying to have a great night, not a good night, a great night.
Yeah, so that is all.
You got any weapons or anything on you? Stand right here real quick. I gotta pat you down before I put you in my car. So fight right over here. Watch your. Hold on, I got.
He has the money.
Okay, did you guys not walk out with all the stuff? You guys walked out with all the stuff. That's retail theft. And guess what? The owner, managers wanted to sign complaints. That's why you're in here. So next time, don't walk out without paying. Okay.
In the end, Jamia, Hurd, and Delaware were taken into custody and arrested. each facing a retail theft charge for walking out with $174.61 worth of unpaid merchandise. Both were also cited for unlawful possession of cannabis.
Okay, all right. Let's fast forward that a little bit.
7.3 grams, which were...
Oh my goodness, come on. You know, YouTube be a little sensitive with that other stuff.
All they had to do was pay for their items. Instead, they chose "we had money" after getting caught. Booking search. All they had to do was pay for their items. Instead, they chose "we had money" after getting caught.
All right. Ooh. He stole 119. Well, hello. Might have to do that video tomorrow, boy. Okay. No, we'll see, man. But anyway, yeah. This was just, you have money and you're going to steal. Typically, the people that's stealing are people that do not have money, and the items that they're either stealing is they're either going to use it for personal use or they're going to try to sell it on like Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that to get some money. You just stealing the steal, man. And then you stealing rubbers and all types of stuff like that. Like, golly, man.